NBIS stock analysis and NBIS stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and everything with Nebius Group. And it's the only guy in this space that's done this for 42,000 videos, documented them all like no one else. I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. Especially now. I really don't look forward to just randomly getting involved. But what I do look forward quite a lot is the price giving me this shift, right? So when we open up next week, I'm not saying I'm immediately gonna buy, which people just come to this assumption. I'm saying I'm gonna buy if there is this double break. And if it doesn't quite happen, I'm not buying. Okay. 6 results here popped up. I mean, let's just do this. Waiting for the red part to actually happen, and yes, I'll continue to keep you updated. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.